What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video for you guys today. Guys, I was supposed to upload this video yesterday, but I changed it to Thursday's video. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna upload one more video today later on, guys. But anyway, how's you guys doing going? And what's up, guys? And yeah, today we're gonna be talking about the new update on Jailbreak that I think might be coming out this weekend. All right, guys, because I'm so excited. Are you guys excited too? I mean, I am. They're gonna add grenades and rocket launchers. It's gonna be really awesome, guys. So hopefully you are hyped up for that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, guys, because drum roll please, we're so close to 50 subscribers. We just need one more, guys, to hit our massive milestone, guys. Massive. Okay, I'm sorry I messed up right there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into today's video, you guys. All right, and yeah, we're gonna be doing all these cool stuff. But one thing that I know is that it might be in the police station, the rocket launcher, but the grenades is gonna have to be in the gun shop somewhere. I mean, like, come on. Jailbreak is basically GTA 5, guys. All right, but I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. What's up, guys? Welcome back to, well, we're still in the same video, guys, but I just cut the scene for this, guys. But see, the rocket launchers I already showed you guys right there, so that's gonna be awesome, you guys. And they're gonna add some miniguns. Okay, I can't forget that. They're gonna add them on the SWAT vehicle and the new vehicle that is coming out, which I am so happy of, a Rolls Royce Wake. That's gonna be awesome, guys. It's gonna be really awesome. Asimo and Bad CC are working really hard to this, so thank them for this stuff. All right. Oh my gosh, the helicopter right there. There's a criminal in there. Okay. But let's just still get into this video. Even though we did recorded the last. Yeah. Oh shoot, there's one right there. You're under arrest. Yeah, you're going back to prison. Days are always different. That's what you get for I'm being a police, because I am awesome. Sometimes I just do my words mixed up. I don't know why. But let's just change into a prisoner. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and change into a prisoner, guys, so we can go ahead and rob some stuff right here. Oh shoot, there's a camper cop right there. Cops right there. Guys, don't you guys hate when you see camper cops? I know they're really everywhere, but sometimes you gotta live with them, alright? And we're gonna juke this here. Hey, there we go. Now you can arrest me. You know why? Because I'm not even a criminal yet, alright? So what we're gonna do, guys, is take the best way and trick them, okay? Trick them into something, alright? So I'll just go ahead and go up in here. Oh, that was easy, guys. That was really easy. Oh my gosh. That's what you get for being a camper cop. See, you see this? That's why you oh shoot. And okay, but that's what you get, camper cops. That's what you get for being a camper and not looking out to see who's gonna escape. Like, so right now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get but let's go, guys. Tell me something. Should I buy the monster truck? Ooh, some donations. Ooh. Or it must be a lucky day. Yes, a lucky day. Anyway, should I buy the army helicopter or the monster truck, guys? Comment down below, alright? But let's go ahead and change out of these prisoner clothes and get some guns, because you don't know what's gonna be out there. There might be a vicious animal out there. But if you guys hear background noises while I'm recording this, guys, don't mind that. It's thunderstorming. Alright, it's thunderstorming, so yeah. That's right. So we already got our gadgets and stuff. Now let's talk more about this update. Alright. So you guys, people are getting mixed up that this Gamepass called Boss, I think, or Crime Boss, or whatever. People say it might be 1,000 Robux or 300. I don't know, but I think it'll be 300. And when I get to ready for it, let's go ahead and rob this train while we're at it. They're really awesome. They're really, really awesome. I can name walking on, that's one. There's Miniguns, that's two. And there's more. Yeah, they're adding one. But I think they're going to add a new 1 mil vehicle soon, but not in this update, fortunately. Sorry about that, guys. But not in this update. As Simo really tweeted, oh, I thought that was a cover right there. But as Simo actually tweeted that they're working hard on this update and the car. I know the car is not part of it. Yeah. Man, ever since this update that just came out, you can't even walk with vehicles anymore. Alright, you can't even walk with vehicles. I do not know why. Why would they do that? Come on, tell me why. No. Man, if only we had a key card to rob the bank, that would have been really awesome, but fortunately, people barely rob the bank anymore. I don't even know why. I don't know. Does this guy have a key card? Hey, Vote Man, do you got a key card? Vote Man, you got. Oh, he's changing his vote bite. Okay. Guess not. He doesn't have a key card. Well, let's go to the jewelry store. But first, let's go ahead and pick up this Lamborghini. We're gonna wait a while for this jewelry store to open. Guys, this is just a first one, okay? Just to tell you that I think we're going to the store. Not yet, no, not yet. Let's go see what this is. There's someone over here. Dun dun dun. Please tell me there's someone over here. I see a car up and there's nobody over here. Wow. Hey, I'm gonna type in someone come to museum. Please. We need some help here. We need to get our money back. That's what we are here for. And yeah. But I think I will be doing more live streams. But I'm gonna wait until like Christmas or so. Oh yeah, I'm definitely doing a vlog on Christmas Day, guys, opening my presents and with my brother Darian. Alright, we're gonna be having so much fun. I've really been wanting these things since I was like starting my YouTube career. Guys, I will be doing a draw my life if we hit 50 subscribers. That's gonna be our 50 subscriber special. Why does he think I'm a cop? Are you a cop? No. Why would you? Why? Man, people just don't get it these days, huh, guys? People just don't get it. But we already opened our one safe that we have. Alright, guys, if you have the time and enough money, donate some safes to me, guys, because we need more money. And let's try to hit 5 million. If we hit 5 million, guys, I will be doing a giveaway. Alright, guys, for a live stream. Alright, please, somebody come to the museum. Please. I did not mean to do that. Alright, cut. I'm just kidding. Okay, now let's go see. I already how's you guys day going? How is it going? I mean, mine is going so good. It's really awesome. And I'm going to be uploading more videos soon. So you guys are for that. I'm going to upload like 2 videos today, guys. Alright, so you guys don't have to just stop this. I'm going to make the best thumbnails ever, you guys. Alright, okay, the best thumbnails ever on my channel. I'm gonna come back to you guys when the jewelry store opens. Bye. Alright, guys, jewelry store is open. Alright, let's go and get our money on right now. Yeah, we just started the robbery, guys. We need to get our 5K, guys. And I forgot to tell you guys that I had bought duffel bags, so yeah, we can get twice the money, guys. And try to hit 5 million and do a giveaway for you guys, okay? I'm giving away money. Alright, guys. Hope you guys are ready for this. Because I'm trying to hurry up and guys, I'm trying to hurry up and make this for you guys, okay? After this video after this video I'm posting, guys, I'm gonna be doing a vlog for you guys because I know you guys love my vlogs and we get twice the thumbs up on them, alright guys? So yeah. And by the way, guys, make sure to thumbs up this video because this video is sponsored by my username this, okay? I like his avatar. It's a really awesome avatar. And like he says, do not judge a person by its character, okay? And that is right, guys. I just learned a valuable lesson. Actually, I already knew about that, okay? Alright. But you guys shouldn't do it either. You guys shouldn't bully Bacon Hills because Bacon Hills are awesome. They're the same as regular people. Just pretend like they have Robux. Alright, now we gotta get past these lasers. Oh shoot, we almost dead. But that's not gonna stop us because Bacon here is rule. Okay, gotta tap on those lasers. Bada bang, bada boom. Let's go through the easiest way. Bam. That guy's going through the longer way, and I'm trying to get my money over here. But we're gonna like escape out of here. We're just gonna wait. Oh, is there any cops? Okay, that's not a cop. That was a close one already. So there we go, and there we go. Bada bang, bada boom. You guys, we are doing it. Now let's go ahead and get our 5K. And let's see how much money we get, guys. Let's see how much money we get. Alright, let's see how absolutely. Hey, we got twice the most money in today's video, guys. But that's not it, guys. We still got more, okay? We still got more. Man, I wish I had enough Robux to buy rocket fuel. Alright, guys. Yeah. But I really got nothing else to talk about, guys. But hope you did enjoy. Subscribe, guys, and see you guys next time.